Welcome to Signmitra, a smart digital signage platform that helps you manage all your business screens from one simple dashboard. To get started, you have to visit the Signmitra website, create your account, fill in your details, and complete the registration process. Then log in to your dashboard. To connect your TV, download and install the Signmitra Player app on your Android TV or Fire TV. Open the app and a pairing code will appear on the TV screen. Now go back to the dashboard, enter the pairing code and assign that TV to your created screen. Once paired, your TV is connected with Signmitra. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can manage screens, upload media, use templates, create playlists, schedule content, and publish everything remotely. First, go to the templates section. Here, you can choose ready-made templates for offers, menus, announcements, promotions, festive greetings, and business updates. Select any template and customize it as per your brand. You can edit text, change offers, replace images, adjust colors, add your logo, and save it as screen content. You can upload your own images, videos, posters, menus, and promotional creatives into the media library. After your content is ready, create a playlist. Add your templates, images, videos, or announcements in sequence. Set the duration for each slide and decide how your content will play on the screen. Now create your screen inside the dashboard. Add a new screen, enter the screen name, select the location or branch and assign it to a group if required. Now select your playlist, choose the screen, or you can click publish. Your content will start playing instantly on the selected TV screen. Even if the internet goes down, already synced content continues to play with offline playback. Start your free trial today and turn your normal TV into a smart digital signage screen with Signmitra.